Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do.
Hi guys, JansCrazyLife. So I did a live last night where I was doing mixed media ATC cards, and I wanted to come on here and show you them just in case you missed the live. Look how pretty they look in a pocket letter. So an ACT card, if you don't know, and I'm going to remove them so you can see them better, is basically an art trading card. So it is a 2.5 by 3.5. And it fits in a pocket letter, but I made a bunch of mixed media ones last night. If y'all want to see the live, I will link it now. But I basically talked about how to get 10 of these out of one 8 by 11 sheet of paper. And I made 11 of these, and I plan on doing something with them, like a Valentine's Day swap, but these themselves are going out in friend mail. But let's take a look at all the ones that I created, because I made 5 on the live and then I ended up making 6 by myself. So let me zoom in so you can see. So there's this one, and they're just mixed media, which means mix different mediums. But so there's that one. How pretty. And it just says learn something new every day. And then there's this one that says, see all the beauty around. So cute. Then there is this one, and it says, when things get tough, reset. And there's this one that says, shine bright, do good things. There is this one. It says, step by step, I will make it to the finish line. How cute. And then I think this one is one of my favorites. And I go in the video, I do this, if you guys watch it, want to know how I made them. This one says, when things get tough, reset. And then a lot of them have the stamp that I put on there. It says, all you need is love. And then there is this one, learning to fly. And then this says love, and then all you need is love. And then there is this one that says set goals, making progress. How cute. That's fabric on there. And then there is this one, making it happen. And then there is this one, and this one says victory dance and goals. And there is this one, and this one says, have courage, you are capable. So that completes my collab for 25 projects, and on a no spend. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. So cute. And if you have any questions, that live is up where I show, I'm literally doing it and talking about it all. But if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you haven't already, because the best is yet to come. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.